just got now to Bristol Parkway, waiting for my connecting train for my Regroom. So I just thought I'd do a quick vlog on an update of how the heat has actually affected the hair system. But in all fairness, it hasn't affected it at all. And I'm a gym goer, so I go to the gym quite often. I can't wait now to have it regroomed all ready for my holiday, and I'll keep you guys posted. So I'm back in Hair for All, having my hair regroomed done before I go on holidays. I'll document the whole process, guys, and I'll speak to you later. So the first process has started. I've had my head shaved now, ready for the system to be cleaned and put back on. Feels so nice to have like it clean, because it can get quite itchy after you've left it for a while. But yeah, I do hate myself like this, but it's all worth it in the end. Speak to you soon. So it's all been done. Looking amazing. There's no mats in it, no glue. Feels perfect on. Stuart did an amazing job. It didn't take long at all. I'm absolutely over the moon with it. So yeah, happy Harrison.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.